Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about our next MySQL built-in functions. So SUBSTR is one of the MySQL built-in function from the string function category. So what SUBSTR string function will do? SUBSTR is one of the MySQL built-in functions. So it is used to extract a substring from a given string. Okay. So basically we are going to extract some portion of the string from the given string, and how we will use that substring or substr function. So inside that we will pass three arguments. One is that string itself, and then position, pos for position, from which position we want to take the substring, and then length of the substring we want to select. So it's very simple guys, we will try to understand with help of some examples. And this length I am telling, so length of substring is optional guys. Okay, let me switch to the web editor where we are going to practice it. Okay, so sub str, this sub str or substring function is used to extract portion or substring from a given string. So the substr function is used to extract portion or substring from a given string, and then how we will use that substr. Inside that we have to pass string, and then position, and then length. Hmm. And one more thing we have to keep in mind, len is optional. Okay, first example we will try to understand with help of first example. So I am doing select, then mysql tutorial. Okay, if I am running this, then what will happen? I will it will return mysql tutorial text in the result. Yes, correct. So if I want to use a sub str function here on this string guys, so I will use, I will put this string into the substr function. So substr, then this is my string, and then again I have to mention two more things. To extract the portion of substring, I have to mention the position. So from which position I want to extract the substring. So I want to extract from the position 3. This 1, 2 and then 3. 3. And how, what is the length of substring I want, or the portion which I want to take from the third position to the next 3 characters. So this way I am giving, and then some alias name I can give as portion. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting using a substring function here. MySQL tutorial is my string, and what I want from the third position to the next is length I'm passing from the third position. I want the substring which is having the length as 3. Let me run this. Okay, so this is MySQL tutorial. This whole thing is our string guys. So what is happening, I am giving the position as 3. So 1 2, and then at third position s is there. Okay, s is there, and then we are giving the length as 3. So from that third position s is there, 1 2 3. Total this sql thing is coming, sql substring is coming as part of result. So this way we can use. And then one more thing I told guys, this len is optional. So if I'm removing this len, then what will happen? So select substring, MySQL tutor is the string, and then I'm giving the position. Position as 3 is this from the yes. So if we are giving len, we are not giving the len. So what it will do? It will treat it as a whole len. Okay, whole length of that string, whichever remaining. So when I will execute this, I will get SQL tutorial whole thing from our position which we have given. Entire uh, remaining string we will get. Okay, and then one more example we will try, guys. Okay, so let me use select. So I'm telling if I have some email ID, something like Akash Kumar. I have sorry, I have some email ID Akash Kumar 1@gmail.com. Hmm. This is my email ID, and what I want the this portion from this string. This whole is one of the string. So I want only this portion which will exclude at the rate and this domain, guys. So how we will do that? Here we have to mention the position. So our user this Akash Kumar 1 is starting from the first position itself. So we will give 1 here in the position, and then what will be the length of this guys, this username. So len will be a length function we are aware. Length is also one of the MySQL built-in function. So that we are going to use. Whole thing we will take and we will pass there. Length of this string, and then we have to deduct it by the length of this thing. So what is the length of this thing? Gmail is 5, 6, 7, and then this com is a 10. So total 10 we will reduce from that, and then as we will mention here, you will give some alias name as username. So it will give us the string excluding this domain, guys, from the at the rate. Let me execute. Yes, now you are getting the result as Akash Kumar. So this is very simple, guys. This way we can use substring. So one more example finally we will see. Select star from here, employees table is there, guys. So I will read all data from employees table. Select star from employees. Okay. If you will observe, ID, name, email, and department and location, these are the fields. So email is there. So similar case, if I want to take their username, excluding their domain, how we will do that, guys? So I have to write a query. Select, then I will take email column separately, and then after that I will use sub string built-in function also. In that we have to pass a string. So instead of string, what we can pass the field name column which contains the string list of strings. So email, after that you have to give the position. So what will be the position, guys? From the first position itself, this username is starting. So first you have to give, and then what will be the length of that string which you want from the first position. So that will be the whole length of length of email whole length of email minus the domain length. So what is the domain length, guys? This Gmail 5 characters, then this one at the rate will be 6, 7 is a dot, and then 3 are com 10. Okay, so select email sub str email comma 1 is the position, then this will be your length, and then as you will give as username as alias name, and then from which table you are doing, guys? From employees. So you have to give that. If I will execute this, I will get the expected result. Sorry, I have to comment out, guys, this. Yes. So these are the email. Varun K1 is the username, so I'm getting that. Then here also Tarun Kumar 2 is the username that I'm getting. Then here in the Amol S1999, so that I'm getting. So this way substring function works. This is basically used to extract the portion of the string, and len is the optional, guys. So these are the some practical examples we tried as part of this session. Thank you, guys. We will see you in the next session.